Sugar Cookies. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs, and reviews on makeup and everything, and so much more. Stay tuned because I upload weekly. Hi Sugar Cookies, how are you? For those of you who don't know who I am,
I'm Cookie, the lifestyle whisperer.
Today's content, today I'm tackling yet another spring project. This one is organización underneath my sink. Don't judge me, it's a hot kabob mess underneath there, and I got a few things from Marshall's, not sponsored, but I had to go to Marshall's to look for containers. I wanted to do them on the cheap. Hold on a minute. I found these in my house. I had extra ones.
It's okay. Are you okay? I'll fix it, don't you worry.
And I got some containers from Marshall's. Some of them were $3.99, some of them were $4.99, and the two big ones were $6.99, and I got two shelves for the price of one for $9.99. You'll see. All right, so I just wanted to share with you what the containers look like, just in case I forget to do that later on in the video. These two big containers were $6.99, and the ones to the right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's two smaller ones. The top two cost $3.99, and then the bottom ones are $4.99. I think so, yeah. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. In the back, I have these two shelves here, for two for $9.99, and then I got, the
blow dry is not organizational, but all right, I needed one, okay? What's the girl to do? It's a prerogative.
I had this container as well. I got this one at Marshall's for $6.99.
So let's get to doing this. I'm gonna empty it out, put some music on, and get to cleaning.
Sugar Cookies, don't judge me. I've been in this house almost a year, and one project after the other, priorities. Okay, all right, let's see what I got in here. Oh my Lord. What a hot kebab mess. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to take out that foot bath situation out of there. It's just taking up too much space. Plus, I like going to get my feet done and things, but I'll put that somewhere else. That spray can. What is that can of paint doing underneath my sink? Yeah, okay. So we see the situación going on at hand, and let's get to cleaning and emptying and purging, and you'll see. Just go get a snack and come on back. So this is everything that I pulled out from underneath the sink, and I've categorized them in groups. I have hair stuff here, foot stuff there. Focus. I don't know if that'll stay, but it's a good idea to categorize everything that you have that you've purged, and then if you need to reorganize again in groups, do that so that you know exactly what's going inside. Now to the fun part. These are what those 2 shelves for the price of $9.99, yes, you heard me, 2 for the price of $9.99, look like. What I plan on doing, I'm just configuring things out, playing around. I suggest you do the same until you feel comfortable, it feels practical to you, it feels ergonomically right to you. And see, I told you I would fix the lazy Susan focus. And I'm just going to set it at the bottom there, or maybe at the top. Who knows with me, right? Like I said,
I can change my mind because it's a woman's prerogative.
It's my prerogative. I'm going to place these 2 containers opposite each other. That looks nice and neat. So far, so good. But let's see. I can do better. Sugar cookies, I have a question for you. Are you the type of person that needs to organize in clear bins or baskets or even wood carts? What's your organizing style? For me, I need to have clear containers such as this one right here, which was $4.99. It suits my organizing style and practicality.
Wanna sit? Here you go.
Okay, this is what I came up with. I want to say that I have invested to include these placemats right here. Look, from the Dollar Tree. Easy to clean up. I was going to put contact paper, but contact paper after a while gets all mucky and you have to pull it out and deal with the stickiness. I love this idea right here. Suits me just fine. I'm just saying. Just to add a little bit of pretty, and I have some on the bottom here as well. Look at that, not bad. Use what you have, search around the house. Now, I did have to go buy these containers here, this one. I had this one on hand, but the one in the back, and this one. A total, including the mats, I want to say that I spent, including tax, less than $40. Not bad for a system to keep things organized. Hey, it's not Pinterest. I don't care about Pinterest. I need to have it practical. And this is how I made it pretty, by adding this in the background. And it's practical, form and function. Now, as you can see, I pulled out these containers, and I like the fact that they are drawers, I can speak.
Don't touch me.
Look at that, I have my nail stuff here. I love that. I love this system. Absolutely love it. And then here I have my feminine stuff here in this container. This is to wash my makeup. I love that. I keep that on hand there. And I have my brushes all the way back there. I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer so you can see, okay? Just a minute. There we go. It's very cloudy here today, but this way you have a better idea and you get inspired that with less than $40 you can get this type of system underneath your sink. You probably come up with something even prettier. I'm just giving you the idea. This towel right here is for my facials, and as you can see, my favorite color is always present in every one of my organization projects. Definitely. I am very happy with that. I have my facial mister in the background there, and all the way over there in the background is that right there. That in the background is where I have my Velcro rollers. It's in a sheet set bag, and I repurposed it. Kept it out of the dumpster. Reducing my footprint and organizing my home is the goal. Is one of my goals this year. That is it. Get to organizing. Stay tuned for more organization projects coming up soon. What do you think? Whew, that took me a minute, and then
The fumes, the fumes.
if you like this video and you found some value in it, some inspiration, a little humor, subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle stars. Comment below and let me know what kind of projects you're tackling, what kind of containers you're using, where do you get your containers from, like on the let's not say cheap, let's say on the frugal. Share the video. Why? Because sharing is caring, and it really helps my channel to grow and continue to bring quality, useful, and valuable content to you. Psst. Post your notification bell, you know, the
ding 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 dong bell. And select all so you don't miss any of my videos.
As I say around here, smile, your soul will thank you for it. You don't feel like smiling? That's okay, I got you. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next. I had extra ones, yeah. I can't believe that I let that drop.
My goodness.
Why?
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.